everyone. I am Joel Philip D. Lamela, a third-year Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering student from Iloilo Science and Technology University. Today, we will be adding an infrared sensor to our past project, the 16x2 LCD, which will be remotely controlled by a remote controller. Let's get started. This is the code that I'll be using to detect the up and down codes of the remote controller using the infrared receiver.
In order to include the infrared library, first you must go to Sketch, then Include Library, Manage Library, then type in your search button IR Remote. Then here is the library. As you can see, I have already installed it, so I will just go to Sketch, then Include Library, and here is the IR remote, the infrared remote library. So here it is included now in my code.
My infrared receiver is facing back. So in the right side, I will connect the pin to the 13th analog pin of the Arduino. The middle pin will be connected to the ground and the left pin will be connected to the 5 volts. The up and down button codes will be displayed in the serial monitor as I press the up and down button of the remote control. And if I hold the up and down button, the code that is being displayed in the serial monitor is 8Fs. This will be my repeat code. This is my 16x2 LCD code. I will just add some commands in order for me to use my remote control so it can perform the scroll up and scroll down function. I'll first input my constant integer scroll up, scroll down, and hold button which I have acquired by testing my infrared receiver, which I have pressed the up and down button by using my remote control. Then, I will input the receiver pin for my Arduino, which is the 13th pin, the constant for infrared receiver command, and the decode results. In my void setup, I will enable the infrared receiver and add the serial begin command, which is set up to 9600 milliseconds. And finally, in my void loop, I will use the if and else command, the serial print, and the digital read commands. This will execute my scroll up and scroll down function by using my remote control. Before we implement our code in our circuit, first we must test our code and our circuit in the TINKERCAD app. We'll connect the right side to the 5 volts, the middle to the ground, and the left side to the 13th pin of the Arduino. I first change the up, down, and repeat button codes because the TINKERCAD uses a different remote than my remote. As we can see, the scroll up, scroll down codes are working properly. Now we will proceed to the actual implementation of the circuit. I will just add my infrared receiver to my past 16x2 LCD circuit. The left side will be connected to the 13th pin, the middle to the ground, and the right side to the 5 volts. Here is my final output using a remote controller for my scroll up and scroll down function with my 16x2 LCD. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.